How to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF in mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF in mobile devices. So first thing first, simply head over to your chatgpt.com official site and make sure you're logged in and click on any of the conversation which you like to download as a PDF and simply select that particular conversation. And once you do that, you will be seeing a share button on your top. That it means like this. When you click on your share button of your URL that which you are currently on, simply click on share. And as you can see there there is a print option available. Simply click on that print option, and when you click on print option you will be redirected to this page where you can see your conversation as a PDF. And from over here what you can do is simply click on this button over here, and as you can see there you will be given a save as PDF option. Simply click on it and wait for some time, and just click on this yellow button that is download as a PDF, and your file will be downloaded as a PDF. And select the directory just like that, and your file will be downloaded as a PDF on your device. And to confirm your file has been downloaded, simply head over to your My Files section, File Explorer, and as you can see, you have successfully downloaded your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file on your device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.